Hello. Today I'm going to show you a nice comparison video about two nice devices. The Apple Watch Series 11 versus the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. Which smart watch is better? Today we are comparing two of the best premium smartwatches you can buy in 2026. Which one has the better design? Which one offers the most advanced health features? And how do you compare in performance, battery life, fitness tracking, and smart features? And most importantly, which smartphone is the better choice for you? Let's find out. We start with design and build quality. Both smartwatches feature premium materials and excellent craftsmanship. The Apple Watch Series 11, elegant rectangular design, aluminum or titanium case, available in multiple sizes, digital chrome with an haptic feedback, slim and lightweight, premium Apple Watch bands, and a water-resistant design. The Samsung Galaxy Watch comes with a classic round watch design, lightweight aluminum case, comfortable for all-day wear, and attached bezel navigation, a wide variety of watch bands, than the traditional wristwatch appearance and the water-resistant construction. Designer, winner should be, I think, the Apple one. If you prefer a modern and a minimalistic look, the Apple Watch, of course, is a great choice for you. But if you like a traditional wristwatch design, the Galaxy Watch 8 can be the better one for you. Let's go to the display. Both watches features a bright AMOLED display and always-on functionality. The Apple Watch comes with an LTPO OLED Retina display, always-on display, outstanding brightness, excellent outdoor visibility, and smooth animations, and vibrant colors. Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Super AMOLED display, always-on display, deep blacks, excellent brightness, sharp resolution, smooth scrolling. Both displays are among of the best available on the market at smartwatches. Performance, babe. Let's perform, yeah? Perform now, please. Apple Watch Series 11, latest Apple Silicon chip, fast app launches, smooth multitasking, excellent overall responsiveness, optimized watch operation system performance. And Samsung comes with the latest Exynos variable processor, Wear operation system with the One UI watch, fast navigation, responsive interface, and smooth animations. In everyday use, both watches feel incredible fast, so it's a draw. The operation system and the ecosystem. The Apple Watch Series 11 runs great on a watch operation system and offers us Apple Pay, Apple Maps, Siri, Apple Fitness Plus, Apple Health, HomeKit, iMessage, and a tight integration with iPhone, iPad, Mac, and AirPods. The Samsung Galaxy Watch runs Wear operation system with Samsung One UI watch. It features included Google Maps, Google Assistant, Gemini, Google Wallet, Samsung Health, Google Play Store, SmartThings, thousands of watch faces, and excellent integration with Android smartphones. Your smartphone ecosystem plays a huge role in deciding which watch is the right for you. And this is the key feature, I think. Health features. Both devices are packed with advanced health monitoring tools. The Apple Watch Series 11 heart rate monitor, ECG blood oxygen monitor, skin temperature sensor, sleep tracking, sleep apnea detection, high and low heart rate notification, fall detection, crash detection, emergency SOS modification reminders. The Samsung device, heart rate monitor, ECG, blood pressure monitoring, blood body composition, skin temperature, sleep tracking, sleep coaching, sleep apnea detection, stress monitoring, Samsung Health AI Insight, and Women's Health Tracking too. Samsung offers one of the most comprehensive health suites available on the Android users. And fitness and sports tracking. Both watches have dozens of workout modes, including walking, running, cycling, swimming, hiking, strength training, yoga, rowing, indoor workouts, and. Additional fitness features included are built-in GPS, compass, altimeter, VO2 max estimation, heart rate zones, automatic wear detection and training history, and route tracking. Apple user also benefits from the Apple Fitness Plus, Samsung users get powerful Samsung Health coaches and analytics. So the battery life is one of the biggest differences. The Apple Watch Series 11 around a full day of normal use, but not more. Longer battery, of course, only in the low power mode. Fast charging support, okay. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 around 30 up to 40 hours of depending on the usage. So it's much more. Fast charging, generally longer battery life than the Apple Watch. So if the battery life is your priority, Samsung has the advantage. And the smart features. Both smartphones, which comes to pair to your device, are packed full with smart features, and the app and the smartphone and the smartwatch are communicating each other. And then, of course, alone standing, the smartwatches can be Bluetooth calling, notifications, voice assistant, music control, offline music, if you have downloaded it, because Bluetooth calling and notification is something that is in correspondence with the smartphone. NFC mobile payments, calendar, weather, navigation, voice recorder, find my phone, camera, remote control on third-party apps. Both watches delivers an excellent smartwatch experience as well. The price, depending on the case size, the material, and where to choose the GPS or LTE models. The Apple Watch Series 11 is positioned in the premium segment, while the Samsung Galaxy Watch is often slightly more affordable. So, what should you buy? The Apple Watch Series 11 Pros, outstanding performance, excellent health monitor, premium build quality, best smartwatch for iPhone users, massive app ecosystem, seamless Apple ecosystem integration. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Pros are a classic round watch design, a longer battery life, and excellent fitness tracking, body composition analytics, Google Wear operations, and perfect companion for Android and Samsung Galaxy smartphones. So, what's going on? Which smartwatch should you buy? Choose the Apple Watch Series 11 if you own an iPhone. If you want a smooth smartwatch experience. If you have a value seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem. And health tracking is your top priority. Choose the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 if you have an Android smartphone. You prefer traditional round watch design, you want a longer battery life, and you enjoy advanced fitness and body composition tracking. Both smartwatches are among the very best you can buy in 2026. The right choice is really depend on your smartphone. iPhone users should choose the Apple Watch Series 11. Android users, especially Samsung Galaxy owners, should get the most out of the Galaxy Watch 8. You really cannot be wrong with either one. Which smartwatch and smartphone would you choose? Tell me in the comment, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.